have one younger sister. My younger brother is already 14 years old, and my younger sister is 18 years old. I'm 20, I'm older. Then she have two babies, but separate father. And I have one younger sister. Then she have schooling today. So in Monday, I have a two makes me happy. Syempre, my nephew, very cute, Kurt Ian. Then I have a one, very magandang mama, my mother. And then I have my father. My father, he lived here, but my mother, she lived in Pangasinan. That's why she's married. She's married already, but my mother, she don't like my father already. That's why not big problem. It's family problem, you know. That's why I'm here to come back here. Before before my mother, she go to Saudi Arabia. Then when I was 13 years old, we go to Pangasinan with my grandma. She's very nice grandma. If you go here in Philippines, you see maganda. More maganda. Come na. Pwede na yun. It's okay na. Diba? More, before when I was 15 years old, when I was 14 years old, I go to school. Then, I have one boyfriend, classmate. Then, I have before when I was 15 years old, I pregnant. Then I born the baby, 16 years old, premature twins is died. That's why. Then I go to school, I stop because my younger sister, she's pregnant to her first baby, Tristan Lazatine. My nephew, very cute. If you go there, you see. If you go here in Philippines, more Filipino girl make you happy, just like me. Just come on in and out of there. Rawr. Angel May Memorial. Pwede na yun. Makes you happy. If you go here, more Filipino guy. Very tradition in Philippines, in tradition here. If you go to in girlfriend, makes like that, you know, holding hands, kiss here in ano ba to? English nito? Here, you kiss here, then more love. That's all. Thank you. Okay na yun. Maganda na ako dyan. Bulaga. Okay, that's all. I don't want to cry, but many problems kasi in Filipino, if you go here, some Filipino, that's why I don't want to be a girl with boyfriend Filipino guy. You know, they hurting us. I have one boyfriend, but basta ganon, mahabang istorya. Kasi, ano ba? Talang buhay ko ba ito? Lahat ba gusto mong malaman? My mother, And she worked in Clark now. My father, no work. Basta nga, bang storya. Talang buhay ko na to eh. Ano ba? Sige na. No more introduce na. I said that's all. If you go here in Philippines, you have some foods, makes me happy, makes you happy. Then more Filipino, more Filipino, very good and kindly in our place. That's all. Okay na yan. In Walking Street, I'm always walking there. Since when I was 15 years old, like that. When I was 15 years old, I walked there with my friends. I'm gonna Mama Sang. I gotta give her, syempre, English, you know? I'm so very, syempre, kindly, more friends. I have more friends there. Shout out sa best friend ko, kay Shella Morena. I have my friends. He's ladyboy, but she's my friends. You know, when I was, if you go there, you want to see, before I make, basta mga bang istorya. If you go to my country, you see, that's pwede na yan. Diba? That's pwede na yan. Ayoko na mag-drama out. Ayoko na mag-drama! Or big problem because my mother, she don't like my father because my father, she is always drunk like that. That's why my mother, she don't like me. And my father, sometimes they angry to me because my boyfriend is not, I don't have work. Then I support my younger sister, younger brother for schooling, you know. I helping, I'll buy rice, I'll buy that. That's all. That's why I walk here in Walking Street, you know. Sometimes more Filipinos, they said to me, why are you going there? Because I want to help my mother. I want to help my family, you know. Diba? Ang hirap kasi, it's so very hard if you girl. Because the boy, she wants to play something like that. But the girl, sometimes they hurting feelings, you know. Sometimes boy, they say in bad things to a girl. Sometimes the boy, sometimes they said, oh, you like that? Like, you're so idiot, you know. They said to us, another boy. Then I told her, don't fuck flirts my life because I don't fuck flirts your life. I don't wanna ang hirap kasi mag-English eh. Hindi ko pinakikilaman yung buhay mo, ganon. Basta ganon, ang hirap kasi. Ang hirap maging babae. It's hard to be a girl. Diba? Pwede na yan. Okay na yan. Ayaw ka mag-drama. Okay. I have a happy story with my boyfriend. He makes me happy. And then my nephew too. He makes me happy when I sad. She's very cute. Kurt Ian, baby. If you want to see my Facebook, you see my my day with my nephew and my younger sister. If you want to see my Facebook, that's all. More blah blah blah. Basta, ang hirap kasi maging mahirap naman kasi ang buhay ng Pilipino. It's so very hard to, syempre, I work here, then make some money, then buy some rice, buy some foods, buy anything you want. That's all. Basta gano'n, ang hirap. Mahirap. It's hard. Ano yan? Wala na akong masabi. Wala na akong masabi. Oh, naubos ko yung tubig, pero hindi pa rin tapos niya. Pero, deep inside, you see here in my face, I'm happy, but deep inside, I'm so sad. You know? Ayoko kasi magdrama. Don't be plastic in another girl, diba? Makes you, if you see me happy, but deep inside, I'm so sad. Because, family, basta family problem. I give everything to my mother, but this first. It's so sad talaga, promise. I want to be happy, but deep inside, you know, and my feelings. I'm not maarte. I'm good. I make my families happy, but they always said, "You're barbarian. Don't have like that. Don't have a work." Diba? Ang hirap kasi maging Pilipino. Ang hirap, solid. Solid, mahirap. Pwede na yun. Yung drama. Asar. It's okay na. It's okay na. It's okay na. Pwede na yan. Tawa-tawa ka dyan. Umiyak na ako eh. Pwede na yan. Pakunin mo nga ako dito.